Hello there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of ergonomic workspace solutions with the HUANUO Single Monitor Mount. If you're looking to improve your workspace comfort and efficiency, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. Alright, let's talk adaptability. The HUANUO Single Monitor Arm is designed to fit a wide range of monitors, from 17 to 30 inches. It can support monitors weighing from 4.4 to 14.3 pounds. Plus, it's compatible with VESA patterns of 75 by 75 mm and 100 by 100 mm. This means it's got you covered, no matter what monitor you're using. Now, here's where this monitor mount truly shines. The HUANUO mount allows you to position your monitor just the way you like it. It's fully adjustable with an impressive tilt range from -50 degrees to +35 degrees. You can swivel it plus or minus 90 degrees and even rotate it a full 360 degrees. This means you can easily lift your screen up to 39.6 centimeters from your desktop with just one hand. No more neck strain or awkward viewing angles. When it comes to durability, HUANUO doesn't mess around. This single monitor stand is built to last and is 80% sturdier than others on the market. How do we know? Because it's been rigorously tested with automotive-grade gas spring cores, enduring a whopping 20,000 motion tests. That's more than 5 years of continuous use without any issues. Worried about a complicated setup? Don't be. HUANUO has simplified the installation process. It's a one-piece design, and all the necessary hardware is included in the package. You can have it up and running in just 3 minutes. Step 1. Affix the bracket to your table. Attach your monitor to the VESA plate. Adjust the tension according to your monitor's weight. It's that simple. Now, let's talk about space efficiency. The C-clamp or grommet mounting base is a game-changer. It saves more than 80% of your desktop space compared to a traditional vertical monitor stand with a heavy-duty base. This means you can have your accessories, like a large keyboard and mousepad, without worrying about running out of desk space. The possibilities are endless with this monitor mount. You can have a clutter-free workspace and even use a small trolley to move your computer around effortlessly. It's all about convenience and comfort. Comfort is key, my friends. The HUANUO monitor arm is designed to relieve neck pressure and improve your overall posture. It's a ready-to-use solution right out of the box, eliminating the need for a bunch of complicated screw installations. So, there you have it, tech-savvy folks. The HUANUO Single Monitor Mount, your ticket to a more comfortable and efficient workspace. If you found this review helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic tech solutions. Have questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, work comfortably and stay tech savvy. See you in the next video.